Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about the top 15 NPM packages every Node.js developer should know. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So top most packages which has a number of downloads, you can say that is Express, a minimalistic web framework for the Node.js that simplifies the process of building web applications and the API. So this is very you can know very popular. If I go and just copy this one like npm express, then you come to know npm express, right? If I go and check the number of downloads weekly, and here you can see the results. Okay, that means it is much more popular for the every Node.js developer should know. Okay, next we have a Lodash, a utility library that provides a wide range of functions for simplifying common programming tasks such as iterating in arrays, manipulating objects, and working with strings. In the coming series, I'm going to give you the full exact why we are using express, how to use that express, each and every detailing will come to the next 15 videos which we cover each and everything with detail part, right? Currently I'm just giving you the exact what exactly the top 15 npm packages that you should know. Okay, in the number of downloads it has, how to use that one, so I'm going to teach you each and everything. Okay, that is Lodash. Then we have a Socket IO, a library that enables real-time bi-directional communication. So you can say about the Socket is like the chat application where we need the real-time updates, bi-directional communication between the web clients and the servers. It's commonly used for building the chat applications, online gaming, and the other real-time features. Mongoose is basically elegant MongoDB object modeling tool for the Node.js. Means like whenever we have a connectivity with the MongoDB, then we are going to use the Mongoose for that one. Then we have a async, a utility module that provides powerful functions for working with the asynchronous JavaScript, including the handling callbacks, promises, asynchronous control, and the flow patterns. Request, depreciated, but we are using the Axios. Okay, these are the HTTP client libraries for the Node.js, and Axios is much popular on that note. I will show you how much it's popular. Let's search this one, and here you will come to know about the Axios and this one, the number of downloads. That means it's a very much popular library for calling the HTTP requests. Allow you to make HTTP requests to external servers or the APIs. API call will be done with the help of the Axios. Okay, next we have the body parser, which is again middleware for the handling JSON, raw text, URL encoded form data in the Express applications. Joy, a powerful schema description language and the data validator for JavaScript objects. It's commonly used for validating the request payload. So whenever there is a validation, then you can use the joy. Okay. Then we have a passport, an authentication middleware for the Node.js that supports various authentication strategies, including the username, password, oath, and OpenID. Okay. Then we have a bicrypt. Okay, a library for hashing the passwords. If you want to hash the passwords and save into the DB, then we are using the bicrypt. Okay, for the user authentication and the password storage. For like we have the passwords, user password, and the database stored password, and comparing the password, that will also help in that one. Okay, then we have a .env, a module that loads environment variables. So whenever you have the requirement for the I have a env file, I want to load all the environment variables into my Node.js application, then I'm going to use the .env file. From a .env file into the process .env, making it easy to manage the environment specific configuration. So you have a configurations like username, password, host, email, everything that is the configuration files, right? So I want to pull that information into my Node.js application so that all the environment variables should be stick at the one place and no need to manage with the certain places, right? So that will help over here. Winston, a versatile logging library for the Node.js, providing support for the logging. If you want to logging each and everything, then you will go with the Winston. Example console, file database, and customized logging levels are also there. Okay. Then we have a Jest, a popular JavaScript testing framework that's widely used for testing the Node.js applications. It's known for the simplicity, speed, built-in features like snapshot testing, and the mocking. So that way it will help. Then we have a node mode. Node mode means like whenever you do any kind of changes into your application, Node.js application, so you want the runtime changes. No need to restart the server again and again. So in that case, node mode will come. So a utility that monitors for the changes in your Node.js application and automatically restarts the server when changes are detected. It's commonly used in the development environments to improve the productivity. Then we have a movement .js or the date.js libraries for parsing, validating, manipulating, and formatting dates times in the JavaScript. While moment.js has been widely used in the past, date.js and other lightweight alternatives have gained popularity due to their smaller size and the better performance. Okay, so these are the Node.js packages that every developer should know. In the next coming series, we are going to explain each and every NPM package so that you come to know how to use it. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.